In this video, I will teach you how to fix Telegram cannot send message error on iPhone. This so you can get back to chatting without any interruptions to your friends, to your contacts, and your channels. The first thing you need to do is to open the Telegram app on your iPhone. If you don't have an account yet, you can just go to the App Store and search for Telegram, download it, and sign up using your phone number. But if you already have an account, you can just pretty much log in as usual. Now, this error can occur if your app is outdated. If it can cause sending errors. So you just have to go to App Store, tap your profile icon, and scroll to see updates. And if Telegram is listed on the updates, you just have to tap Update button in order for you to maximize the capability of the Telegram app. Another way to clear this is to clear Telegram cache. This to clear out any unnecessary data that your Telegram app had accumulated. So in Telegram, you just have to go to settings and then storage and tap clear cache. Don't worry though, this won't delete your chats or anything on your data. You just have to temporarily do this so temporary files that might be causing issues can be deleted. If you can send message to a specific person or group or channel, it's possible they've blocked you or that group has restricted your messages. So you can try sending a message to another contact or a saved message to yourself to confirm if the issue is account specific or it's really a Telegram based issue. If none of this really works, you can delete the Telegram app and reinstall it from the App Store. You can log in again and your chats will sync from Telegram's cloud servers. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.